So I've torn into it. I'm not sure how much more. I haven't really torn into it more since I did my last video, but here's the rust on the driver's side. It's all solid for the most part. So I don't know. I've already looked up floor pans. They're about it's gonna be about $100 for both. So just gotta take a. I think I'm gonna. No, I'm kind of bummed right now because I didn't see any rust on it last night. But you slowly find them. But I'm gonna probably tear into it more tomorrow, or sit down and think about all the depressing thoughts right now. But I'm this is the old beater. So the steering wheels. So I don't have to put a steering column in. So saves me money there. I just spent more money on the rust. It's about like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I think it's like 6 o'clock on Friday. It runs. I got it to run. Jesus, my hair's a mess. Haven't showered, haven't done anything. Just been that 10 minutes turned into like an hour and a half. Didn't want it to, but I got determined to make it run. I'm gonna insert the clip of it running right here. We got it running. It's not happy. It doesn't like to run. Yeah. I don't know how long it's ever been since it's ran, but all right. Gotta get this in the driveway. Well, it don't run the best. I have a buddy that I talk to every once in a while, stopping by, and he's gonna get a video from the outside of this thing roaming down the road here in a few minutes. But I'm gonna enter that one right here. Yo, George. It don't like to run. I had to take the battery out of my personal truck, the old crew cab right here, put it in this, plus put the battery charger on it on engine start, plus pouring gas down its throat and starter fluid, plus giving it about a quarter throttle of gas to get it running. Now once it's running, it don't like to stay running. Here's the battery that came out of it. It's from hell, I don't even know. It's old. It's old, I'll tell you that. We're not gonna look into it. Here's there's no battery in my truck. I don't know what happened. Oh. Here's the battery out of my truck. It's in here. There's the seat. I was riding around in this thing with there's no seat or anything, and it overheated, so I had to cut off the belt. So belt off. I didn't think about once it got running. I just knew it's. Passenger window just fell down, so shouldn't have messed with that. But no wonder why this door panel's apart. It just fell off. Not even mad. This thing's a fucking turd. So, the hell? Okay, I just found something. Well, I just found something. His real name's gonna be Skidmark, but he's also gonna be known as El Paso. This is gonna get set up right there. I'm gonna do something to it. I'm gonna set this up on the outside. Window was broken off the tracks or falling off the track, and I really don't know how to put it back on, so I'll deal with that guy once time gets to it. But El Paso, I know it's Texas, but his name's El Paso, as well as Skidmark. Alright guys, thank you for checking it or watching this video. Out here at a Danger Ranger race for Garrett or Cletus with Nick's Ranger here. I'm gonna end it out for this video here. I'll have it what's it called? I'll have a video out on the S10 or on the race here in the following days, so look out for that. But thank you guys, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll upload a video on the Ranger race. Thanks.